Hello, my name is John Thorne from Thorney Motorsport. In this short video, we're just going to be announcing that we will be attending the SEMA car show in Las Vegas on November the 1st to the 4th of this year, which is about 10 days time. This is our stand, which we're probably going to use as a backstop for videos later on because we like it so much. And we're there primarily to promote our new dealer expansion for our international network of independent McLaren specialists. We're in booth 10426, which is in the North Hall, just opposite VW America. Now I'll be here with some of our diagnostic kit and also our McLaren technical system and our dealer system, which is now all accessible simply by mobile phone. So the entire McLaren database of technical information we've created and the dealer system is now accessible on a mobile device, along with our diagnostic kit, which we can demonstrate that as well. Now I'm primarily there to look at expanding our dealership network, but if you have a McLaren, want to have a chat with McLarens, please do come and say hello. It's just a small stand. It's our first attendance at SEMA, so it's a bit of a suck it and see. But also I've got 48 cars in the yard out there for customers. It would be a bit unfair to them for me to suddenly close the workshop and take the whole crew over. So it's just me on my own. The rest of the crew is staying behind and servicing customers' cars as required. Customers come first with us. So just me on my own for the 4 days. So please do come along, if only chat about McLarens or ask us about our becoming one of our new dealers as independent specialists. Again, that's North Hall, 10426. Hope to see you then. Okay, cheers.